Hi, I'm Shirley, and it has been a wide opening for me for the looking into aging in TCM perspective. I was very skeptical about TCM, but now to understand the blood flows and the organs, to maintain your organs, it helps with aging. It may not be it may not be to the point that you want, but at least you can delay and reduce whatever illness, right? To have the control of it. What I've learned as well as Patrick is mentioned too, is the basics that we need to have is the 5 elements and the 5 steps, resetting steps. Those are important because when we reset our body, then the body will align according to meridians. So we've been taught how to locate our meridians. So that is going to take some time for me to absorb also, because there are different meridians as well as the 5 elements that's linked together that applies to a different illness, I should say. For me, high blood sugar and cholesterol plus diabetes. So with these 3, it helps me to learn what is related is the organ, the stomach, the spleen, the liver, and the bladder. So it helps me to learn the proper nutrition to take, right? And where about to increase and decrease, and where's my limitations. So it comes with the self-control as well, and the willpower to do it. So overall, I find it a very wide opening because it's pictorial teaching, and as well because I don't speak Chinese, but because there are pictures and observation that help me, and the group is very vocal, participative, good in sharing. They are very open in their discussion. So with this, I take back from their learning, from their testimony, and their advice as well. And as well, we have a marvelous teacher here. Okay, thank you.
So would you encourage your friends around you to join us in the next run?
Yes, I do have friends who suffer insomnia. They do hard time to sleep, and I have no problem in sleeping. I go home, I can get knocked out at 7 o'clock. After my dinner, you can say it's a food coma, but I just get knocked out, but I rise up very early in the morning. So, but this lady who has a problem with insomnia, yes, I will suggest that she come, and it's very educational as well. You don't have to just rely on Western medicines, but those 2 medications, TCM and the Westerns, they combine with it. And with that, we can have good health. Thank you.